COVID-19 in children. With the onset of the third wave and the Delta variant, it has been found out that even children can be affected by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. However, the good news is that most kids who are affected by COVID-19 are typically not as sick or severe as compared to adults. Further, far fewer cases of the infections have been reported in children than in adults. Some children who are affected by the virus don't even show any symptoms at all. In addition, they recover quickly as compared to most people and don't show persistent long-term symptoms. But of course, as a parent, it is natural to worry about your children getting infected by COVID-19. It is always good to be informed about the outbreak. We have got you covered. In today's video, we have covered everything you need to know about COVID-19 in children. Watch till the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. How likely is it for children to get sick with COVID-19? Even though all children can get sick from the virus, they are not as severely affected as adults are. Most children show mild symptoms to no symptoms at all. As per reports published by the American Academy of Pediatrics and the Children's Hospital Association, in the United States, children represent only 13% of the total COVID-19 cases. Research has shown that children younger than age 10 are less likely to get affected by the virus that causes COVID-19 as compared to adults over the age of 20. However, children with weak immunity can get severely affected by the virus and may need hospitalization with a ventilator. Further, children suffering from chronic conditions such as obesity, congenital heart disease, genetic conditions, and conditions that affect the nervous system, asthma, and diabetes have a greater risk of being affected. Why do children react differently to COVID-19? The answer to this question isn't clear yet. However, experts believe that children are not so severely affected by the SARS-CoV-2 virus because there are other coronaviruses prevalent in the community that can cause infections like the common cold or flu. Since children are more vulnerable to colds, their immune systems become primed and provide them protection against the COVID-19 infection. It is also possible that a child's immune system reacts differently as compared to an adult's. Most adults get sick because their immune system overreacts to the virus. This situation is less likely in children. Signs and symptoms of COVID-19 in children. Even though children and adults experience more or less similar symptoms of COVID-19, children's symptoms are typically mild. Besides, children recover from these symptoms in a span of just 2 weeks. The most common COVID-19 symptoms in children are fever and chills, cold and cough, breathing and respiratory problems, sore throat, common cold symptoms such as congestion, sore throat, runny nose, etc., muscle pain, fatigue, headache, diarrhea, loss of appetite, loss of smell and taste, nausea, and vomiting, pain in the belly. Some children show symptoms caused by inflammation throughout the body. Generally, these symptoms can show up weeks after recovery from COVID-19. This is known as multisystem inflammatory syndrome. In children, MIS-C. Possible signs of MIS-C include fever that lasts for 24 hours or longer, belly pain, neck pain, rash, red eyes, exhaustion and fatigue, red and cracked lips, swollen lymph nodes, hands and feet, fast heartbeat, rapid breathing, swelling of the lips and tongue, headache, lightheadedness or dizziness. If your child shows extreme MIS-C signs, then it is wise to take them to the emergency ward. What to do if your child shows COVID-19 symptoms? Call your doctor if your child starts to show COVID-19 symptoms. Make sure you keep track of your child has been in contact or in close proximity to someone who is COVID-19 positive. After the diagnosis, the doctor will decide if your child can be treated at home or needs immediate hospitalization. Can you prevent COVID-19 in children? The answer is no. There is no prevention of the virus. All you can do is try to keep your child safe in a clean and protected environment. Additionally, you can take measures to build your child's immunity. There are several ways in which one can build immunity in children. For example, stick to an immunization schedule, serve a healthy diet, improve your child's gut health, make them stay active, and make sure they get enough sleep and are hydrated at all times. Advise your children to keep their hands clean and practice social distancing. If necessary, you should also limit outdoor time. Also make sure that your home is clean and disinfected regularly. COVID-19 and vaccines. The only way to build long-term immunity from COVID-19 is to get your child vaccinated. Vaccines will be made available soon for children of age 12 and older, and soon vaccines will be available for babies too. Vaccines are about 98% effective against COVID-19. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more such videos.